on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
Alright, so right now the vet's getting ready to leave. Signed, sealed, and delivered. In fact, so they see what the Z06 is about. Just give y'all a little show with the driver on it. Yep, that's enough. She looked good though, boy. What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE, here with another day and another video. Always gonna thank you guys for watching these videos, man. We're going to a different thing. I also want to tell you guys I'm sorry. I know I haven't been vlogging as much. I have a lot going on in my personal life with the wifey and the family and everything that's going on, y'all, but that's irrelevant to y'all. I do want to thank you for tuning in. We're going to be doing something a little bit special in this car, man. So let me give you a little updates of what's going on. We're going to be dedicating ourselves to a couple more racing vlogs for you guys. I know y'all want to see the Viper getting down. Stay tuned. Viper's going against Boosted Lucky very soon. Boosted's on a whole crazy build. Don't know what's going to happen, but I know that we're going to have fun doing it. So stay tuned to that when we go out to Mexico. But I got a couple things going on in the shop, man, that I want to bring you on the vlog. I'm going to show you from Mr. Jason Delay. We're waiting for the motor to come in. I sent it out to the machine shop. They give me a lot of difficulties. It's already about 30 days waiting for the machine shop to give me back my motor. They haven't done it, so I just pulled the motor out. I'm gonna take it to another machine shop, just kind of showing you what's going on. But today's edition, man, different. It's a Chevy. Y'all know that this is a Chevrolet Corvette, so it's definitely not your regular Dodges that we do here in the shop. This is a real Z06, and y'all know him very well. This is my dad's car, Pops. He owns this Corvette and he wanted to do a facelift. Obviously, you guys know we do a lot of this stuff on Dodges. We do wide body kits, we do conversion kits, we do all these different things on a custom car build. Dad's like, what can you do to my car? I said, man, if it was my vet, I would do an upgrade and get the ZR1 front end. I like the aerodynamics of it, I like the look of it, I like the vents of it. So started looking into different options. I went ahead and got a kit from Vicrez, and we had the kit delivered to the shop, sent it out to paint and body. It's kind of a weird color. It's like a bluish. You can see the top is blue, but the car itself is a little blue. I had the parts painted and got everything situated to get the install done on her and convert this front end of this Z on it already. I got the front end of the Z06. This is the original front end of the Z06, and you'll get to notice all the vent changes as this come through. But the guys are going to begin the disassembling of this Z06 to get the bump lation. I already had the parts painted, so I didn't get the whole thing for you guys, but I do have it with the parts are painted. In fact, I'll show you those real quick. But the guys are going to start disassembling this car. Some of these guys don't know, but on these Corvettes, well, here there's a pin that kind of clips these two together, because taking this off is very careful. Be careful taking that off, but the rest is all bolts. So I'm gonna have the guys disassemble that and get this car going. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna walk to the front of the shop to show you guys exactly what I was talking about, the parts. I've already had them painted and stuff. Let me get up here in front of the shop. Sorry, y'all. But this is the bumper kit. I got all everything else back there, but you can have the bumper that's already painted, that blue metallic. It's already painted. I already had this painted. I had it sitting here to get it done. Now that the parts are here, the car is here, guys are disassembling the bumper, doing this conversion, and just see what the results are going to be, man. So it's not just a Dodge store. Dodge, Chevy, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, even Teslas. I mean, everything. And I don't say even Tesla because there's a problem with Teslas, is that it became a major brand. So salute to Tesla for really doing what they do. But stay tuned if we start getting this car ripped apart. But before that, come here, Pops. Come here. So tell people how you feel about this. It's been a long, long time, and I can't get her out of my mind. But I can. But I can't. Yeah. Just the thought of you. Oh, go get down with it, Pops. Makes the whole world misty blue. And I said, oh, now I'm playing, y'all. Let me continue, y'all. We're gonna get the vet done. So right now we have all the parts going on. We have all the parts going on the Z06 bumper. All the grills are being inserted. We had it painted different. I'll show you at the end, but right now he's doing all the grill inserts, and we got the bumper off of the Z06 to be able to do the conversion to the ZR1. So the team is working on that. I'll show you how that works out in a few minutes, but just giving you an update. So I'm coming to the back. You guys already know, front and back. Update of what's going on here right now. But they've gotten all the grills, the lower vents. They're installing right now at this point in time the lower splitter, which is this design that's here. I'm gonna show y'all when it's on the car, but you guys can get an idea of what's going on there as they're doing all the adapter plates that are necessary to get the install done. I'm take my hands off and let them do it. I want you to meet my king. No. King, no, you can't do that. That's not for you to eat. That's my new dog. Y'all met the other one, now you're gonna meet my new one, King. And yes, he's a puppy. He's an all black Doberman. No, I'm not gonna cut his ears, even though I want them. But I'm not, because I don't want to do that to him. But that's my boy, King. Come here, boy, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi, everybody on YouTube. But back to the video. This is what's going on. We got my son Isaac here helping out today, getting all this situated. They are mounting, getting this installed to show y'all what the conversion is gonna be like. Yeah, so now you guys gonna get an understanding of what this bumper is gonna look like. We got this painted the gray black. It's not just a black, it's a metallic black that comes on the car, and I'll show you what that is. The grill were done the same, and look at the regular color. I'll show you what I'm talking about there, but the guys are ready to put it on. So if you look at this color here, you see it's that same color. The factory accents on there, on the mirror. I had the side skirts done on that one, which we also installed, and the bumper. And now they're about to get this installed and see how this comes out in this vet. Y'all getting to see what the gray look is gonna be like.
I think he needs to paint it.
I think we are. I might get them painted. I was thinking about it. But we're gonna keep on getting the things together and see how it comes out to be. So one more thing that we're doing here now, you see these little angles here? You see this here? We're gonna actually cut this down and give it a trimming so we don't have no issue with it fitting here. Even though an adapter plate, but the gap is pretty small. My finger barely fits in there. And this is a lot thicker than that, as you can tell. So we're gonna trim this down and do the adjustments to make sure we have a perfect fit on the build from the Z06. Guys, so now they got the bumper on. Now we gotta get all the details done, but I'm just giving you an idea of how this monster is beginning to look. Oh my God, I can't, bro, listen. I'm gonna finish it up in a minute when I get the badge on, but I'm just giving y'all a sneak peek. I don't know what y'all think, man. I think it looked ridiculous. Y'all tell me. Now you see the finished results of this beautiful build, Z06 conversion C8 to the ZR1. It's a ZR6 technically, and the car looked ridiculous. I love it. So at this point, hold on. So at this point in time, man, Josh, hiding back there behind me, Pops. Your ZR1 conversion's done. Hold on, he's trying to play with me back there. Y'all see that? What you got to say, Pops?
AUDIOZONE, nothing but the best.
Man, we appreciate that, but that's a false advertisement because you're my father, bro.
No.
People don't take that. Love it. I don't know how y'all see it. Fitment's all perfect. No issues whatsoever with the fitment. Everything looked good. Everything looked great. Pop's car. To end this video, I'm gonna bring you the car out in the daylight. It looks, come here. It looks nice. Alright, so right now the vet's getting ready to leave. Signed, sealed, and delivered. In fact, so they see what the Z06 is about. Just give y'all a little show with the driver on it. Yep, that's enough. That's enough. She looked good though, boy. It's still delivered, like I said, man. We're not only a dog store, man. We're an everything store. Check us out here over here at AUDIOZONE, man. We do anything that you can think of. We're here to get you served, man. 930 North Beltline Road. If you need your car shipped over here, we can arrange that. If you need to get anything done, we definitely can help you out. Check us out here at 972-513-0111. That's the shop number. You can call or text. Text is always a good way to communicate. But any of your automotive needs, check us out, man. We're gonna see y'all. Bless.